Hi everyone, Mark from Hobby Extreme, giving you your Tech Tip Thursday. Nick and I just upgraded our maintenance shop to include a 3D printer from Bamboo Labs. You would be blown away at how inexpensive it is, and most of all, how useful it is to have a 3D printer in your workshop. We need something as simple as a receiver mount. This is for a Rex 10 from Jetty, and I'm making Nick one for his Rex 3 for his Flex Innovations Edge 540. Let me show you real quick how easy it is to get from conception to printing and in the aircraft. Let's do it. Bring your hobby to the next level. Invest in a 3D printer. And go Hobby Extreme. See you next time.